Hello there, beautiful boys and girls, the hot chef here, and today I'm going to show you how to fry the most perfect, crispiest mushrooms ever. So I have my mushrooms laying in water, and I have these beautiful portobellini mushrooms, and I just love the way they taste. But you could do this with any mushroom. I just really like how beautiful this looks, and the flavor that you get is way more earthy and way more ground-like, which is nice to add to your foods. So first things first, I'm going to wait till my pan is really nice and hot, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my mushrooms to that. You must hear that nice sizzle, and immediately the beautiful aromas and the beautiful smells of mushrooms are being released. Glug of butter and a little bit. I also just love the flavor of the butter with the olive oil in this dish. So what we want to do is we want to move it around so all the moisture sort of just cooks out of the mushroom. Mushrooms are like sponges, so what they do is they soak up whatever they're in. So when we put the mushrooms in the water before we fry them, they're soaking up all the water, so they're filling the pores with water, which means now when we fry it, all that water evaporates, so there isn't any pores that needs to be filled or can be filled because we've already filled them and stretched them out, so the mushroom turns crispier. Simmer this for 3 minutes as is till all the water evaporates. So we just want to spread them out like that to make sure that we can get as much covering the surface. Because the more that cover the surface, the crispier they will be. Last stir. And we leave it now for 35 seconds before we take it out. Okay, so these babies has fried for about 7 minutes in total. They're nice and meaty. I wish you could actually taste them because they've locked in all of this oil and butter, so they're like beautifully flavored and super meaty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and put it aside. I could serve this with breakfast in the morning, a nice omelette. I could serve these babies with a pasta just as is, or basically just have it like this as a snack even, because it tastes super delicious, and it actually feels like meat when you bite into it, because if you look there, it looks like a beautiful formed mushroom. So try it out, let me know what you think, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my page if you haven't.